today we are going to learn about index in math function. Okay, so I am going to create a table. Sample is fruits, and with corresponding price, make it bigger, caps lock. Then I would say banana, the price is 10. Then I would say apple, then the price is 15. Then I would say grapes, the price is 18. Then what else? Maybe orange, I would say 20. And let's try another one. Lemon, I would say 22. Now, so if we're going to get the fruits price, so I would copy this and paste it here. Also the name of fruits, copy and paste it here. So now we're going to use the index function. So index, to populate or direct to the index, press tab. Then as we can see, index is an array, row number, column number. So sorry. Okay, or index reference row number, column number, and area number. So I am going to get the price of each fruits. So I am going to select this price. Okay, then comma, or you can populate all using function key F4, then comma, then match, type match, then tab. Okay, so here is your fruits reference. So it start in banana, then comma, then select the fruits. Okay, populate all, F4, then comma, 0 is the exact match, then close function, and another one to completely close. Okay, then enter. Okay, so as you can see, the banana price already copied from column C. So if you are going to populate all of that, so just double click this small square here, and here it is. All of the prices from source or reference also transferred in column F. So if we're going to put the currency sign, just click this, and English United States, and there it is. Okay, so that's it. So let's stop.